Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do one of my favorite things, an unboxing of FabFitFun products. I have the box right here for the summer 2018. It's a nice, big, colorful box, perfect for summer. And it's going to be full of stuff as usual that I've probably never heard of, but I'm super excited to try out. So I'm not sure what's going to be in this box. I'll leave all the FabFitFun information down below if you're interested in signing up. But I figure most of you are probably signed up if you're watching this video and you haven't gotten your box yet and you want to see what's in it. So I'm going to kind of whip through this a little bit quickly. Let's just jump into unboxing this. Here's the catalog that gives you the information of what's going to be in it, which I always refer to so I don't mislead you guys. And this is what it looks like inside. As always, it's packed with products and it looks really exciting. So I'm going to set this down and we're going to go through the products one by one. Okay, this is the first thing I see in the box. This looks really cute. This is Minor History Postscript Wallet and it retails for $20. It's got a little cute button right here, and it fits basically just your cards, and it has a strap on it to go around your wrist. But to be honest, I like the straps that come with the clip so I can clip it to my belt loop. That's my favorite type. This is pretty simple. It's just like a flimsy sort of material, but I do like the color. It is pretty secure. So if you are carrying this around, you don't have to worry about your stuff falling out. The color and the security of it I really like, but other than that, not super impressed. But that's coming from someone who usually likes a pretty bulky wallet, so that's just me. Moving on, I see a Tarte product. They've been getting a lot of Tarte products lately, which I think is pretty cool. Even in like their shop, if you shop online and you have the subscription, you can buy a lot of Tarte discount products. So it's a good way to try out a very popular high-end makeup brand. But this is an eyeliner. I've never noticed, like I've seen other YouTubers talk about their eyeliner, but I didn't notice like the little cat on the top of it. I think that's so cute. This is the Sex Kitten Eyeliner, which I've heard a lot about. It's a liquid liner. I don't really want to open it because I do have an eyeliner I'm currently using right now. I think this is a felt tip. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's in the shade black and it is waterproof, which I think all liquid liners should be waterproof. But it looks like from the little catalog here that it comes with a different product. So I'm going to pull that out right now. This is a Tarte palette, which is really cool. It's got this really soft touch matte packaging. And this is the Pro to Go. It's got a nice mirror in it and it's got 6 eyeshadow shades. This is really nice. It's got 3 mattes and 3 shimmers in here. This is a very good travel friendly palette, or I could see doing my whole face of makeup using this mirror. That's usually what I do when I do my makeup because I do it downstairs in the living room so I can hang out with Kenny and Chaos. So I take a little mirror like this and I just do my makeup at the table. And I could see this being a palette that I use in my everyday routine just because when you're using the mirror, it's easy to dip into the shades underneath. And these look really, really pretty. Let me just swatch a couple. But this orangey brown shade right here is like calling my name. Oh yeah, they swatch beautifully. Tarte with their eyeshadows are a little bit hit and miss in my opinion. Some of them just aren't as pigmented and smoky as I prefer. But this, with the packaging and the swatches, I can tell I'm going to use this a lot and I think this is definitely a win. I cannot believe they included these products in the box. Usually I think the subscription boxes include products from high-end brands like this that they're discontinuing. So the fact they included 2 products that are very highly reviewed and popular like blows my mind. Together these 2 products equal $43, which is a great deal because the whole box is just a little bit more than that. I see in the catalog here that this is the combination that I got. You can also get this Tartiest Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette. But anyway, moving on. But this is SPF 50 Coola Classic Sunscreen. I know it sounds bad, but I don't use sunscreen. Maybe I should start, but I never use it just because my skin can handle the sun pretty well. But this retails for $32. I'm not sure what's so special about this for it to be priced so high, but it does say it is a white tea moisturizer as well. It also does say that it is certified organic ingredients, so it sounds good, but $32 for a SPF moisturizer stresses me out. I would never spend that much. I'm definitely more of a drugstore shopper with that kind of stuff. The next thing in here, this is interesting. This is a ring with pearls on it. Okay, this is a 14 karat gold plated ring with 2 freshwater pearls. It is $55. I love getting jewelry from FabFitFun, so that is really nice. I'm not sure how you say the brand. I'm assuming it's Erth, but I will list it down below as with everything else. Moving on to the next product. Oh my god, this is so nice. This is by the brand Luna. It's the Foreo face scrubber, so you can wash your face kind of like the Clarisonic, only this is a little bit better in my opinion because it has little silicone bristles, so you can just like work it over your skin with a cleanser that lathers up really nicely and just get a really good cleansing that you can't really get with your fingers. But the Clarisonic has always kind of freaked me out because the bristles get so dirty, and the fact that you have to replace them so often just, I don't know, doesn't fit in my budget. So this pretty much lasts forever, I believe, because the silicone cleans really easily. It's like a little mini guy, but I think that works perfect for your face because you don't want something too big so you can get into the crevices. This retails for $89, but let me read you the details here. First of all, it says it's new. It's an exclusive launch with FabFitFun, which is awesome. It is powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile. So this is interesting. I cannot wait to try this out. Next thing is this Orlando Pita play. I think I'm saying that right, but it's the hair protectant spray. This retails for $34 and the packaging is just gorgeous. It says apply to wet or dry hair. I actually could use this because, I don't know, my hair is going through something right now. I think it's because some of the products I was using actually damaged my hair, but I will say FabFitFun, I've always been impressed with their hair products. So I'm excited to get another one. I wish I could just have a whole box full of FabFitFun's recommendations for hair products because they're just so good. So that's pretty cool. It says it's good ingredients, which FabFitFun always knocks it out of the park with the ingredients in the products they choose, but it also says it has a nice weightless feel to it, which I always prefer. Moving on to the next thing, this is by Pier 1. This is pretty cool, something different. Okay, this is cute. I love marble print. It says it's for rings, but I'm always nervous putting like rings or valuables on little dishes like this just because it is pretty flat, but I could see having this in my videos and putting something like washi tape on here just because it's really aesthetically pleasing. But this is nice. It's something different and it's something I would put in my house. And who doesn't love marble print anyway? But this retails for $14.99. Okay, and I have no idea what this guy is. It says Summer and Rose Make Your Own Sunshine. Okay, this is a beach towel and it retails for $55. That is insane, but you can get two different options here. And I got the pineapple one, which is pretty cool because I'm obsessed with pineapples. It has pineapples and leaves on it. It says they are oversized, so I guess once you unroll it, it's huge. I'm not going to do that right here just because I have enough of a mess in front of me. Oh, that's what the material is. It's just so tight that I couldn't really feel it, but it's microfiber, so the sand won't stick to it and get all up in it. That's a new idea. Pretty clever. Okay, one more thing. This was included in the larger brown box that the FabFitFun box came in. I guess this couldn't fit in the box, so this is the last item and maybe my favorite. I'm obsessed with bags and you can never have enough. I'm so rough on my bags that I'm constantly needing replacements. So this is the Yumikin makeup train case and it has two separate compartments so you can store stuff in here, and there's brush slots so you can put some brushes in here, and then you put this flap over top of them so they don't get your bag messy, which I love. So this has a strap and then a zipper compartment over here, and then in the bottom is just a big open space. Honestly, the feel of it and the look of it kind of reminds me more of a lunch bag, but I am glad it's geared more towards makeup and it has the brush slots. You can use this for travel, but I use two bags kind of like this every day to store my makeup, so it's a little bit easier than sorting through like a giant pile of makeup or a larger bag. So I really like this and I think I will get use out of it. But there is another pattern that you could get, and that is right here, if you can see that. It's a lighter blue and it's a floral theme. But okay, I mentioned how the Tarte products, you could also get a different Tarte product instead of the two that I got. Well, some of the other selections that there were, instead of getting the heat protectant spray, there was the option of getting this papaya enzyme peel, which is a rinse off cream, which doesn't appeal to me. I'd rather go for hair than skincare because I break out so easily. And if you didn't get this little wallet, you could get this loop resistant band for working out, or you could get this Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator, which again is skincare. And I am glad I got this out of the three. And the last option was, instead of getting the ring, you could get this Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar or this De-Stress Muscle Gel, which neither of those appealed to me too much. So I am glad I got this because this is super unique. And one of those things I feel like if you wear out, you get a lot of compliments just because I've never seen anything like it. Maybe I'm just out of the loop. But that is it as far as the box. I'll tell you my overall thoughts in a second, but I just want to say the overall value of the box is around $322, and depending on what you got, it goes up to $368, which is insane. So I do think it's a good value overall. As far as my final thoughts, the two products that stood out that I'm super excited to try would be these two, the Tarte Palette and then the Luna Foreo. I think these two are worth the box alone, especially because it's stuff that I would want. It would catch my eye in stores and I would be battling back and forth about whether to splurge on them, and I probably wouldn't splurge on them. So now that I have them, I will use them all the time. As far as the rest of the stuff in the box, I'm a little underwhelmed looking at all of it, but it's one of those things where if I was at the beach, I would grab the towel and I would love it. And it's something I wouldn't have splurged on, especially for that price. So that would be the time when I really fall in love with it. And then this is something that I would appreciate if I were getting dressed up and I just wanted to carry my cards around and I didn't want a big bulky wallet or purse and I wanted something a little bit more glamorous and simple and pretty. That would be when I would love this. So basically what I'm saying is it's one of those things where you get all these products and you're a little bit underwhelmed, but when you actually use them, you really appreciate them and they're higher end than anything that I would buy in its place. That is the main reason I signed up for FabFitFun. It wasn't because I was going to get a box full of products that appealed to me a lot and would be stuff that I would pick out myself. That's the reason I love this, is because I wouldn't pick it out for myself, but I would use all of it and I would love it when I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and sitting down with me and going through the products. Let me know if you got any of the same stuff or if you got the alternatives and what you think of the box overall. I love hearing your opinions on the things as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.